Hello mga Sibs! Welcome and thank you for coming back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Aidhel Keigh and I do Christian praise and worship song covers and tutorials on ukulele. For today's video is a ukulele tutorial of the worship song, The Blessings by Elevation Worship. So, without further much ado, let's get started. Grab na your ukulele and make sure that it is in standard tuning of G, C, E, A. Song, you're gonna need 4 easy chords. Kung alam mo na tong 4 easy chords na to, you could skip the strumming pattern. But for the beginners, iisa-isahin natin yung mga chords na yan. First chord is C chord. Put your ring finger on the 3rd fret, 1st string. Tatandaan mo, Sibs, ito yung tinatawag na fret. 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th, 5th, 6th, and so on. Ang numbering ng strings natin, 1st string, yun yung pinakamalapit sa floor, and then 4th string, yung pinakamalapit sa yung face. So, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd, and 1st. Okay? Put your ring finger sa 3rd fret, 1st string. Ito yung C. Ganito yung tunog ng C. Next is F. Index finger mo sa 2nd string, 1st fret. Middle finger mo sa 4th string ng 2nd fret, F. Next is G. Index finger sa 3rd string, 2nd fret. Middle finger sa 1st string, both on 2nd fret. Ring finger sa 2nd string ng 3rd fret, G. Next is A minor. Middle finger mo sa 4th string ng 2nd fret, A minor. Para sa ating strumming pattern, sa ating play along, gumamit ako sa verse 1 and then sa first chorus ng finger picking pattern. Ito yung tinatawag na Travis finger picking pattern. It is yung every other string na sinasabi. 4th, pa-place mo yung mga fingers mo, 4th. Yung thumb mo, i-rest mo siya sa 4th and 3rd string. Siya yung bahala dyan. And then yung index finger mo sa 2nd string, and then your middle finger sa 1st string. Nakarest yan na ganyan. Every other string means 4th, 2nd, 3rd, 1st. 4, 2, 3, 1. 4, 2, 3, 1. 4, 2, 3, 1. Okay? Yung tamang speed niya is ganito. 4, 2, 3, 1. Again, a little bit slower para sa mga beginners. 4, 2, 3, 1. 4, 2, 3, 1. Dalawa lang yung kailangan nating chord progression. First is yung C, F, C, G, A minor, F, C, G, C. Gagamitin lang natin yan sa verse 1. And then yung second chord progression natin, which is yung A minor, F, C, G. The rest na yon ng bridge and chorus. So, madali lang. Kaya, umpisahan na natin yung play along. By the way, i-demo ko muna sa inyo pala yung verse 1. The Lord bless you. Magpa-pluck ka muna ng 4th, 3rd, 4th, 2nd, 3rd, 1. 4, 2, 3, 1 pala. Sorry, 4, 2, 3, 1. Okay. 4, 2, 3, 1. The Lord bless you. Tapos F. And keep you. Tapos C. Make His face shine upon G. And be minor. Don't turn ears, F, face toward you, and then C, G, and give you peace. So, kung gagamit ka naman ng strumming pattern, pwede naman dito yung down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. So, doon sa last line, and give you peace. Doon sa and give, sa C and G, hati sila sa count nun. Kaya, down, down sa C, and then sa G, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Kung familiar ka sa mga tutorials ko, you can apply yung lagi kong tinuturo doon na yung paghahati, yung bracket, no? But for the finger picking pattern, kung mapapansin mo, each chord, 4 counts. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, and then F. Apat din yon, 4 counts. And then C. And then G. And then A minor. F. Dito sa C and G, since may bracket nga at hahatiin natin sila sa isang pattern, maghahati. Oo nga, sabi ko maghahati, ang gulo ko. C and G, so tig dalawang counts sila. So, C, G, and then C. Same din dito sa ating chorus, kung i-apply natin yung ating finger picking pattern. A minor, F, C, G. So, paulit-ulit lang siya. So, A minor. 4 counts every chord. So, A minor. F. C. G. And uulitin mo lang ulit yun. Tapos, pagdating natin sa bridge, dun sa may His favor, pwede ka na mag-strumming pattern dun. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, and then F. Down, up, up, down, up, C. Up, down, up, and then G. Down, up, down, up. And then, habang lumalaon ang awit, pwede mo na siyang dagdagan ng mga, basta pwede mo nang mas bilisan yung strumming pattern. Pwede rin yung ganon. It depends on you kung ano yung gusto mo. Maraming available, maraming pwedeng strumming pattern. Pwedeng down lang. It depends on your style. It depends on you. Kaya mo yan, Sibs. Okay? So, yun lang ang mga dapat mo matutunan. Dalawang chord progression, strumming pattern, finger picking pattern. It's up to you, Sibs, kung ano yung gusto mong gamitin. But, kung gusto mong sabayan yung aking play along, here it is. I hope na may natutunan ka sa ating ukulele tutorial for today. Palagi mong tatandaan na ang pagpupuri kay Lord, hindi si Lord tumitingin sa ganda ng boss mo o sa galing mong mag-play ng instrument. Lagi-lagi mong iisipin na ang tinitingnan ni Lord is yung ating puso. Kung nagtatapat ba tayo sa Kanya and yung nilalaman ng ating kaloob-looban na nagbibigay puri para sa Panginoon. I hope na naiintindihan mo yon. And maraming salamat. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please do subscribe. Click mo na yung subscribe button. Also, with the bell button para notified ka palagi kapag mag-upload ako ng mga bagong videos. And maraming salamat sa inyo mga Sibs. Love and light to you! His face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn His face towards you and give you peace. The Lord bless you and keep you. Make His face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn His face towards you and give you peace. Amen. 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 His favor be upon you and 1,000 generations, and your family, and your children, and their children, and their children. May His favor be upon you and 1,000 generations, and your family, and your children, and their children, and their children. May His favor be upon you and 1,000 generations, and your family, and your children, and their children, and their children. May His presence go before you and behind you and beside you, all around you and within you. He is with you, is with you in the morning, in the evening, in your coming and your going, in your weeping and rejoicing. He is for you, 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 it's for you, He is for you. Amen. 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 The Lord bless you and keep you. Make His face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn His face towards you and give you peace. Amen. 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 declare, may His favor be upon you and 1,000 generations, and your family, and your children, and their children, and their children. May His favor be upon you and 1,000 generations, and your family, and your children, and their children, and their children. May His presence go before you, and behind you, and beside you, all around you, and within you. He is with you, He is with you in the morning, evening, in your coming and your going, in your weeping and rejoicing. He is for you, 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 He is for you. Amen. Amen.